Hello friends, welcome back to Knowledge Hub. My name is Rajendra Balvia. Today I will teach you how to improve English speaking skills. Most of you know how to speak English, but you don't know how to improve your English fluency. So today I will teach you so many methods. From these methods you can easily learn. So let's start from our first method. Our first method is find English speaking conversation partner. If you are living in native country, then it is quite easy to find out native speaker. But you are not living in such countries, then it is quite difficult to find out such partner. So in that case, you can join online classes. From online classes, you can easily learn so many things. But which kind of class you have to join? You have to join native speaker speaking course. Okay, when native speaker speaks, then you can learn various accent, you can learn various words which are going on nowadays. Okay, so that is why our first method is join join a conversation with native speakers. Second thing is talk to yourself. Talk to yourself means whatever you want to say to your friends, to your teachers, you have to say in front of mirror. When you talk yourself, you will get confidence. Once you get confidence, you will easily perform any kind of conversation in front of any kind of people or friend. Third method is make sure to listen as well as speak. Okay, when you perform conversation with any person or friend, then not only you have to speak, you have to listen also. Once you will listen carefully, then you will have lot of words to say, because when once you will understand what your friend or teacher is saying, then you will have lot of things in your mind in reply. Okay, next method is record your conversation practice. If it is possible, you can record your conversation with your friends, and after finishing the conversation, you can listen again so many times. So in this way, you can listen your record and you will improve your English. Next thing, surround yourself with English language, because you are living in non-native English country. So that is why there is a need yourself to surround in English language. So how can you do this? You can do by watching English channels like news channels, English radio channels, various Hollywood movies. Okay, in this way you can engage yourself in such things. Next thing, practice with music and movies. When you will practice with movies and music, by this you can also learn how, because if you learn English with music, then you don't get bored. Sometime when we practice with online classes or any teacher, then you can get bored also, but when you practice with music, you don't get bored. This is the first advantage. Second thing, when you watch movies, then because you want to know the story of that movie, you want to know the next event of that movie, that is why you watch movie carefully. Okay, so in movie you try to engage yourself, not forcefully, but according to your wish, according to your choice, you want to watch that movie. So that is why practice with music and movies, this is also important in improving English skills. So I hope you understood what I'm trying to say. Okay, first method which I told you, the first method is try to engage conversation with native speaker. If it's not available, then try to speak with your friends and join online classes, but your teacher must be native speaker. Next thing, talk to yourself. When you talk to yourself, then you will have a lot of things to say someone, and sometimes you can write questions in your diary or in your paper and try to give answer of that questions. Okay, you must have few ready-made questions if you are beginner. Okay, then you will have something in front of your friend and in front of your teachers. Okay, once you will reply of your questions, then you will get confidence. Once you will get confidence, you can give the answer of every kind of questions. Okay, and next thing I told you, make sure to listen as well as speak. Why I'm telling you, because most of the time when you listen, then and you don't speak anything, then your conversation looks like one-sided. So uh, there is a duty to reply your friend and teachers, so your conversation mm, could be balanced. Okay, so that is why it is important. Next thing, record your conversation practice. Why I'm telling you record your conversation? Because when you record, then you can correct your mistakes which you made in your conversation, and you can listen the sentence or words of your friend or teachers, so you can also use in your conversation next time. Okay, that is why I'm telling you record your conversation and practice. Next thing I told you, surround yourself with English language, because you are living in non-native English, non-native English country. That is why there is a need to surround yourself with English language. So how can you do this? You can do this by watching television, and you can watch Hollywood movies, you can listen radios and so many things. Next thing I told you, practice with music and movies. Why I'm telling you? Because when you listen music, you don't get bored. You know take fun and you enjoy the music. That is why you engage yourself completely, and you this is how you learn. Okay, so this is over for today's class. If you have any doubt, then you simply ask by using writing in comment box. If you like our video, then please subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon so you can get latest notification of our video. Thank you for watching.